Welcome dear students. Today I am going to explain you uses of some preposition. So first of all, what is preposition? Preposition is a word which shows the relation between a noun or a pronoun and some other word in a sentence. As you are already read in Hindi that karta ne, karam ko. So these are the words ne, ko, se, ke liye. These words are called preposition in English. There are three main kinds of preposition. First one is preposition of time. Second is preposition of place. And third one is preposition of movement. Preposition like on, by, in, at, since, for, before, until, and till. These prepositions are called preposition of time, which indicate a specific period of time such as month, date, time, and day. Second one is preposition of place like in, at, on, by, near, between, beside, behind, in front of, or under. These prepositions are called preposition of place and which are used to refer to the place where something or someone is located. Third one is preposition of movement. Preposition lies to, across, into, onto, around, over, towards, and along. These prepositions are called preposition of movements which shows movement from one place to another. Now I am going to explain you some prepositions as you can see in the picture. First one is at. So we are using at with holidays and with address or some specific locations like at his home, at school, at the airport, at university, with the reference of time at 5 o'clock, at 2 o'clock, at night, at noon, at midnight, midday, some specific locations like the station, the bottom, and for the work, at work. So these are the places where we are going to use at. In. We are using in with the time like in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon. So this is the with the timing of the day where we can use in. For the months we are using in May, in January, in March, and for the centuries in 200 BCs or some year 2017 18, some kind of the show the season like the spring, the summer, the autumn, the winter. So for this we are using in. So in the spring, in the summer, in the autumn, and in the winter. Like we have to show some small time for any specific work, then we are using in. So in a minute, in an hour, in a day. Now third one is on. We are using on for the days of the week like on Monday, on Sunday, on Saturday, and some special occasion like birthday, on Diwali, on the Shera. For the time, on time, when we are going to reach any place within the time, then we are using on time. Some special days like 15 August, on 15 August, 26 January, holidays for the vacation, Christmas also, New Year, May 11, some means of transport like on the bus, on the plane, and on the ship when we are traveling with them, then we are using on. Third one is by. By using preposition. We are using the preposition by when we are going to show that by which means of transport we are going anywhere. So like by car, by train, by sea, or by air, by land, yeah, by underground, by tomorrow when we are asking about the tomorrow, when we are going to do any work in tomorrow, then we can say by tomorrow, by next week, by next month, and some means of transport like by plane, by ship, by him or by her. By him, by her, like when the work is done by someone else, then we are using the object of that subject with the by to show that that specific work is done by that person. Now the last preposition is for. For means के लिए when we are going to show कि when we are going for this reason, there we are going to use for. तो for walk, we are going for walk, तो हम walk के लिए जा रहे हैं. So like for means के लिए, for walk, for change, for hour, For 2 days when we are going for a vacation, that at that time we are using the for. So for 2 days, for 3 weeks, for 2 months, 5 years, or when we are going to take some meal, so for breakfast, for lunch, and for dinner. So this is the basically use of these simple prepositions. I hope this video is helpful for you. Now we will meet next time.